All right, well, I just got to EPCOT Center. It is day 2 of the art festival, and it's Saturday, and it was a long line of cars to get in, so I hope it's not too crowded, and I'm hoping that it's a long line just because the park just opened up. It's just about 10 o'clock. Park opened up at 9, and the World Showcase opens up at 11. So it's my second time at the art festival. It was pretty cool last year, so I'm hoping to have a great time this year, too.
For your safety, remain seated with the doors closed, keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside while the tram is moving. And supervise your children. Thank you.
Well, my first Fast Pass today is at Figment, Journey into Imagination. I've not been on this ride in years and years and years and years. I don't even remember the ride. And as crazy as this sounds, I cannot even remember the song for Figment.
Welcome to our special drive-through open house. I'm Dr. Nigel Channing, Chairman of the Imagination Institute. Hello! On your tour, you'll see how the 5 human senses can help capture your imagination.
Oh, can I go too?
Absolutely not. This is one of our discoveries, the figment of imagination.
Yeah, and I know all about the senses. There's sight, sound, smell, touch, coochie-coochie-coo, and taste. Tastes like chicken. Can I go? Please, please, please.
No, I don't want you out of my sight.
Out of sight? Okay. Come on, everybody. Here we go.
Figment, you are not to interfere with the tour. Our first stop is the sound lab. We'll begin by testing your hearing with a series of tones. Left ear, right ear. Left, right. What? This is odd. Hello? Who is this? Figment? I thought I told you not to interfere.
But you've got it wrong, Doc. It's not about listening with your ears. It's about listening with your imagination.
Now I've completely lost my train of thought.
No, you haven't. It's over here. All aboard. Woo-hoo! Next stop, imagination. For every sound, your ears are hearing. 1,000 thoughts can start appearing, and each of us imagines different things from just the sound. Your mind has wings.
Continuing now, if I may, in a calm, scientific, figment-free manner, the things we see with our eyes can control the eyes of the imagination. Let's begin by using the eye chart to test your vision. Now, all together, if you would please read line 3 and...
With F-I-G-M-E-N-T, you can see things differently. Sure, you can see with your eyes, but imagine what you could see if you used your imagination. Follow the bouncing figment. One spark of light can light your fancy. Your mind sees more than what your eyes see. Your sense of sight can make your fancy fly. There's more to sight than meets the eye. Just turn your imagination loose and anything can happen.
Figment? Oh, he's gone. Our research shows that smells often trigger the imagination, especially when pleasant, familiar smells come into play.
Come into play? I'd love to.
This is not a good time.
It's always a good time to use your imagination, so let the good times roll! Woohoo! You win 1 cent!
Oh, that's really thick.
Of course, Doc. The nose knows. One awful whiff can send you reeling. One lovely sniff
I'm sorry, but after that big stink in the smell lab, I hesitate to send you into the touch and taste labs. Perhaps I should end my open house right here.
Great idea. We'll go to my open house instead. It's much more fun. Right this way, everybody.
Figment, what is going on? You're turning this entire open house upside down.
Upside down? Now you're talking. That's the best idea you've had all day. With just a spark of inspiration, I made my house an innovation. Imagination really clowns around. Makes down side up and upside down. Now here's a real open house. Come on in. So, what do you think? Is it me?
More than you can imagine.
Doc, it's exactly what I imagined. Imagination is the brain of the house.
Of course. Imagination is just turning your thinking upside down. Come on, Figment. It's time to get back to the Institute.
I know a shortcut.
We set them free, and know what they can do. Those magic sparks, through me and you.
Wonderful imagination.
I do? Oh, yes. Well, thank you, Figment. So, as you can plainly see, imagination works the best when it's set free.
You said it, Doc. Imagination is a blast. Imagination, imagination. A dream come true. With just that spark from me and you.
All inspiration is at the heart of all creation, right at the start of everything that's new. One little spark, right up for you.
Well, I just got off Figment, which is the first time I've written Figment in a long time. I can't remember the last time I wrote it. But I tell you, it's a lot of fun for little kids, but it's a little dated. If you go through and watch the video, there's some parts where they show computers and they've got like these reel-to-reel tapes like computers used to be, like in the 70s and 80s. It's okay, but it needs a major update, Figment. But it's fun. If you got little kids, it's cool. But I was a little disappointed in it. And I used to think it was a cool ride, and I just think it's because it's so dated. And it really should be updated since Figment is kind of like the character of EPCOT. That should be like a really hot, modern ride. Well, maybe they will update it because it needs it.